Hey, this is Glasscore Trainer here, and I am at Songbird Academy. And this is my mom's channel. She started a music company. So let's just watch one of her tutorials, and I will talk to you after the video.
Hi, my name is Bethany Gibson with Songbird Academy, here to give you a tutorial on posture. Posture is very important when it comes to our singing voices. Sitting down, slouching, laying down, not the way to do it. You need to stand up so you can get all that air into your diaphragm. So I wanted to give you an example of how different you sound when between standing up or sitting down. So I'm going to start by singing sitting down. You shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say. Note how I'm running out of breath because I'm slouching over and my stomach is getting in the way of itself. Talking loud, not saying much. Criticized, but all your bullets ricochet. Now I'm going to stand up and sing to show you how different it is. You shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say. You talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but all your bullets ricochet. You shoot me down, but I get up. You're able to hold in air better when you're standing up. You can suck in all that air into your diaphragm, breathe through your diaphragm like you're supposed to when you're singing, and you're not capable of doing that while sitting down. So try standing up for a change.
So, as you can see, she is a great singer, and she is also a great teacher to her children. So, please leave a like and subscribe to me, and leave a like and subscribe to her. And also, if you want lessons, please leave a comment in the video, and I will get back to you. So, that is it. Please leave a like and subscribe again, and that's it. Bye.